Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about radar chat. Here it is my data provided. This is category. This is sales with respect to the category and the profit of respective category and its cost. So we have this simple data which consists of sales, profit and cost. Now we need to understand how to utilize the radar chart in order to view how the cost and sales are varying. Uh, Please note that this chart, it is custom visual. You could uh, get you could get the chart from this get more visuals in the marketplace. You could add it or download the sample and import a visual from a file. So I have added the radar chart. So let us understand how it works. This is a radar chart. Here, if you could see, there are two fields, which is one field is category and one field is y-axis. So here I have my category. So I could either click it or drag it. So once I click on category, my categories would be aligned with it. And initially I would like to see how sales are varying with respect to the categories. So if I could keep it in focus mode, these are my categories and this is how my sales are like nearly varying. The data is approximately like nearby, so that is how it is representing. And suppose that I want to view how my cost is varying with respect to the sales. I could bring my cost to the y-axis below it. So you could see this is my sales with respect to that category, and this is my cost. And with respect to profit, if I bring the profit to the same radar chart in the y-axis, you could see this tiny little thing like in a inner web, which you could see. This is my profit. So I'll help you understand how to format a few things. Like if you click on format your visual, you could see these are like my legends. Okay, my legends are on. If you could if you don't want, you could turn it off. My legends on. I'll give my title as uh, I could say values. Okay, for these values I could customize the color. I could increase the size of values so that it is like visible well in this. And you could decide the position, whether you want top or bottom or maybe right or left. I'll keep it on top. Okay, and data colors. If you click on data colors, for the sum of sales, suppose that I want gray color, I could keep the gray color. For the sum of cost, I want it to be orange color. Okay, and profit, suppose that I want very dark blue color. So I could keep my um, I could keep my colors like this. Apply my apply colors to the web. And let us understand this next thing, draw lines. Just if you turn it on, the web which you see, it turns into lines. Okay, you could increase or decrease the line width. This is how draw lines work. And the other display settings is, suppose this is the axis start position. Now it is like in north direction, and you could change it to south, and this will invert. So this is how axis start position is. Axis shifting, you could like try to, when there are multiple categories, then axis shift would help you understand to rearrange it. And with respect to data labels, these categories which you see, they are the data labels. If I turn it off, you could see that there are no data labels now. And I could change its color. Okay, and I'll change it to blue. I'll change it to, I'll increase the text size. So as you could see, this is how radar chat works. And you could change the other formatting things in general, which you are already aware of. So thank you for watching. This is all about radar chat, and we shall meet in the next video.